In our daily life, we can see glasses everywhere. The glass curtain walls of buildings, the windshields of various cars, the key layer on solar panels. All glasses you see may closely related to Cloud Laser. Cloud Laser has established close cooperation with various famous glass manufacturers, including Fuyao, FGG, CNBM, Rainbow, Keybing Glass, South Glass, etc. Cloud Laser is a fast and growing major glass laser equipment manufacturer. Based on global attention on carbon peaking and carbon neutrality, solar energy is recognized as an important renewable energy. At present, solar energy projects are carrying out all over the world. To develop clean energy, it has both economic and ecological benefits. In solar energy industry, Cloud Laser has unique advantages. In 2016, we successfully developed high-speed laser drilling machine, which shortens the glass drilling time from 25 seconds to 6 seconds. According to statistics, Cloud Laser takes more than 70% market share in PV glass laser drilling area. When the glass thickness is below 2.5 millimeters, the pass rate of traditional glass mechanical drilling plummets, while laser drilling pass rate goes above 99.5%. Therefore, laser drilling has become the preferred solution to drill thin glass. As a mature industry-leading PV glass drilling machine, Cloud Laser Drilling Machine adopts the world's most advanced fiber laser and fasten the glass drilling time to 3 seconds. Stable bulk production time is shortened to 6 pieces per minute, contributing to the fastest bulk production speed. The machine is equipped with highly integrated cloud management software and set up a multifunctional closed-loop cloud management system. It functions more stable, durable, and maintenance cost is greatly reduced. Any patterns can be cut, various demands be fulfilled, and the software enjoys lifetime free upgrades. How to efficiently and stably remove the film of automotive low E glass. It's quite a headache for automotive engineers. After 2 years research, Cloud Laser has successfully developed the high-efficient auto-positioning laser film removal process and software. According to actual production lines, it can match with tailored cost-effective solutions. Cloud Laser Film Removal Machine, innovated with large format automatic laser motion system. Comparing with traditional film removal methods, laser solution prevails in faster speed, no splice point, highly automation, and high yield. Simply click to import the film removal drawing. The machine will take care of all special shaped film removal. Cloud Laser Glass Cutting Machine has breakthrough up to 20 millimeters thick glass cutting technology and greatly improves production efficiency and reduces errors. It has achieved 1000 millimeters per second cutting speed, and the overall cutting yield is up to 99.8%. The large format thick glass cutting solution solves the industry pain points, such as low labor productivity and low pass rate of irregular shaped glass cutting in architecture, automotive, home appliance industries. With advanced laser technology, it helps customers to reduce production costs and improve economic benefits. Besides glass drilling, glass cutting, and glass film removal, Cloud Laser also developed various glass marking technologies. Advanced black, gray, and color marking technologies can perfectly replace ink printing. Since there are no consumables, production costs will be reduced. Glass laser processing technology is applying to everywhere in daily life. Advanced equipment and technology require strong service teams for after-sales support. Cloud Laser teams can achieve 4-hour response nationwide. Our R&D teams, training teams, and after-sales teams are ready to help customers to fully utilize the product value. Cloud Laser has specialized in laser industry for more than 10 years, owns more than 200 related patents and software copyrights, continuously drives the core laser technology and independent software to create maximum value for customers. Glass, as an indispensable material in life, has created great value for human civilization in many fields. Cloud Laser aims to build an innovative bridge between glass and laser and create infinite possibilities to glasses. Let's work together to create more contributions and values for global glass and laser industry.